Hey babes, welcome or welcome back. If you notice me in the same makeup look and the same shirt for a couple videos, that is because I am getting a couple done right now while I can. It is late at night. I don't have to work in the morning and the kids are asleep. So I'm just going to go ahead and film these couple videos that I need to get done. And that is why I'm wearing the same makeup look and the same shirt in a couple different videos. But anyhow, hello. If you don't know, my name is Jeannie and this is Sips, Lips, and Makeup Tricks, where we do Ipsy and BoxyCharm makeup hauls, makeup looks, get readies with me. Get readies with me? Get readies with me. I don't know. It's too late. Don't mess with me. But you guys, I have an amazing giveaway going on right now. I do monthly giveaways and milestone giveaways, and I have an amazing one going on right now to honor 500 subscribers here on my channel. Now I'm at 600, so thank you guys so much. But all you have to do to get your entry for the giveaway is be subscribed and then leave me a comment on the video. I will link it in the description box below so that if you're new, you can easily find it and get your entry. It is worth well over $1,000 retail value. I have a new kitten, you guys, and she is down there biting my toes. I'm going to grab her so you can see her. Do you guys want to see the kitty? Hold on. Come here, baby. Meet Ginger. So I have a 1-year-old, a 2-year-old. We had 2 cats and a Pomeranian, and I also have a 13-year-old. So we did not need another cat, but here she is. Look, Gingy, say hi. Aw. Her's purring. Her's just a little one. Her's purring. Aw. Okay. Sorry, you guys. She's not. All right. Ginger. All right, Ginger. Okay, guys, I got my Glam Bag Plus. No, I did get my Glam Bag Plus. I've already done that video. If you want to see it, I will link that also in the description box below. You guys, I can't talk right now. Let me take a deep breath and let's... Okay, so I've got my Glam Bag for the month of October. I was pretty upset with my Glam Bag Plus. My choices were all skincare. They were not even offering me any makeup, and it wasn't really any different with the Glam Bag. So since then, I have went in and updated my preferences. I am somebody who likes to get skincare. I'm a skincare junkie. I love when I can get my high-end skincare in my subscription boxes and bags, then I'm not paying top dollar for it. But I do want a healthy balance of makeup and skincare. And my Glam Bag Plus was literally all skincare and one primer. I got the Ofra primer and I got a hair care product, and the rest was skincare. So no makeup at all. And it wasn't any different with this. So let's just go ahead and I'll show you what I got. Now, I was really excited for one product in here, and I also did get an add-on. My add-on was the Shayna B 5-pack eye brush set. Now, I love getting new brushes. I haven't used any from this line before, so I was really excited. They look nice. Ooh, they feel really soft. Okay, so it does come with 5 in here, but again, this is not part of my subscription. This was an add-on. So I love getting new brushes. I have a ton, but you just literally could never have enough, especially when you're really into doing eye makeup, and you know, you just could never have enough. So let's go ahead and get into the things that they sent for me. What is going on here? Okay, so I know that there's one in here. They actually did send me a brush as well. They're famous for sending me Farrah brushes. So this is something that they gave to me. It is an eye brush. Okay, Gingy, you gotta go, sweetheart. Mommy will see you in a minute. Oh, she jumped out of my arms. I didn't mean to drop her. She didn't fall hard, just like that, like 2 inches. I had her from the ground. But anyhow, so I did get a Farrah brush. This looks like a flat packer brush. I actually use these all the time, so that is good to have. Oh, she's biting my toes. Ginger, let Mama do her video. Okay, So my choice, you are able to customize this. Actually, the price just did go up. I want to say from $12 to $13. You do get a cute little baggie with it. I'm really loving the theme this month. It's got the lime green, the black, and kind of like the vampire fangs. And you do get to customize one item. In this, it is mostly deluxe size samples, and then you do get some full-size products here and there as well. Now, I got the Tatcha, the Dewy Skin Cream. Now, Tatcha is a super high-end brand. I have never tried anything from them before, so I am super excited to give them a try. This is the deluxe size sample size, but I cannot wait to give this a try. Now, I have a ton of skincare open, so I may not be opening it right away, but I'll definitely be checking it out very soon. And then next we got the... what the heck is this? Okay, so this is the Mindful Bubble Cleanse. It is a activated charcoal and bamboo wash. So it is like a face wash. And again, this is a deluxe size sample. And then next we do got from Tony Moly the pumpkin eye cream. So I actually really love this brand. I love the sheet masks and some other things from this brand. So this is also a deluxe size sample. I love eye creams and stuff like that. So I love having these small ones that you get from the Ipsy bag for traveling and all of that. You guys, I cannot get these words out right now, and I am not going to start this video all over. Sometimes I'm just going to have videos where I can't talk, I suppose. But anyhow, I love having these little guys for traveling and for keeping in your purse. I think they're great for that. And so, yeah, I'm excited to have that. And then last but not least, we got an eye primer. It says eye primer from M2O-NYE. M2UNYE. I don't know. I've never heard of the brand. It's an eye primer. I definitely am into eye makeup. I will definitely try this out. But do you guys know what this means? This means for my glam bag, I got all skincare and one primer. And for my glam bag plus, I got all skincare and one face primer. So apparently all they want me to have is skincare and primers. I'm really hoping that after updating my preferences that they will give me some better options next month, because if not, then I'm going to pause my bag. So you do have the option with Ipsy to pause your bags and take a break without interrupting your subscription to the bags themselves. So that is kind of a nice thing to keep in mind. And I'll be honest with you, I'm excited about the Tatcha. I'm excited about my add-ons, my new brushes, and the Tony Moly eye cream is really nice too. Honestly, this is a really nice bag, actually. I actually like the bag itself too, and I think this is a really, really good variation, but there's no makeup in it. Like, give a little bit of a balance there between the skincare and the makeup. That's all I'm saying, and that's all I'm asking for. So anyhow, all in all, I think it's a great bag. I just wanted just at least one makeup product. Give me a highlight, give me a lipstick, give me an eyeshadow, give me something, Ipsy. But okay, so that is my Ipsy Glam bag for the month of October. My cat is tearing my feet up right now, so that's going to be it for this video, you guys. Stay safe, stay beautiful, and I will see you soon in my next one. And don't forget to get your entry into my 500 subscriber giveaway. I will be choosing the winner of that giveaway. Well, not choosing. The winner will be picked through the random comment picker in the last week of October. So hurry up and get your entry in. And until next time, guys.